Hi and welcome back. In this video I'm gonna show you how to replace engine air filter on 2011 Chevrolet Malibu with a 3.6 V6 engine. This is gonna apply to Chevy Malibus from 2008 and all the way up to 2012. So engine air filter on this vehicle is located on the passenger side in the engine bay compartment, right underneath that box. To open up that box, we will have to unclip these two clips, and that's gonna give us enough room to pull out the old filter and install a new one. So remember to install it the same way as it was old one. And this little tab needs to be on the left hand side, so it's gonna go like this, just like that. Make sure it's aligned good. And when it's all aligned, you just want to put those clips back. And that should be it. The job is completed. Thanks for watching.